Hello everybody, welcome back to ABS Tech channel. This is the urgent and big news about Nifty Stock investor my friends, especially for Nifty Stock investor my friends. Keep watching this video complete and never miss any second of this video my friends. My friends, before starting this video, I request everybody to please also subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos. Today my friends, the Nifty Stock is completely going at the loss, going in the crashing. A lot of people also decide to sell, but I think that's not a solution to sell. No my friends, now I think it's already time to buy more and more Nifty stock my friends. Invest now and more in a Nifty, because you can see my friends, it's opportunity for everybody, because now due to these negative changes the price of the Nifty is very low. You can see my friends, just look here, this price chart. Now this time the price jumps in. Now you can see they're again ready for a jump, my friends. So now I'm recommending for everybody that before the Nifty will pump, buy and invest now more and more in a Nifty my friends. I hope that's how you can get a huge amount of profit from a Nifty stock my friends. Anyways, we can't see about the future, and remember, I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to invest now more and more, if you want to invest in a Nifty stock, so do your own research my friends. Anyways, hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more updates and news videos about stock market.